Model, 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 Sportive 2.0 Cdti short wheelbase, starts drives needs turbo replacement no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 224072. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. The engine still starts and sounds perfect on this. Just the turbo is not creating any boost. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740